Good day, everyone. This is View 5. I am Desiree Irajas.
I'm Samantha Faye Artamayo.
I am Angelo Recueto.
I'm Aldea Recinto. I'm Riza Pantay.
I'm Raven Martizano.
I am Virgilio Artilo Jr.
I'm Clark Jen C. De Casa.
And this is our research entitled Tracer Study of Humanities and Social Sciences, a Basis for Career Guidance Program. So, let's begin. We all know that choosing a course in college is a big decision. This research aims to follow the educational and career journeys of humanities and social sciences graduates, specifically their learning experience, interests, and self-efficacy. By understanding their experiences, we can create a more effective career guidance program for future youth students. This program will help them explore their options and make informed decisions about their futures.
For our rationale, educational institutions play an important role in preparing graduates to the world of work. According to Quintos et al. 2022, there are several senior high school graduates who enter the workforce instead of pursuing higher education or who chose a course not aligned with their strand. This tracer study aims to trace the graduates of Humanities and Social Sciences strand of San Pedro Relocation Center National High School.
Next, for our literature review, a study by Andari et al. 2021 said that research studies serve as valuable tool for higher academic institutions by providing insight into educational journey and outcomes of graduates, aiding in program improvement. According to the study of Luxur and ANSA 2020, assessing the effectiveness of educational program, involvement, evaluating how they will achieve their intended goals and outcomes in enhancing learning and skill development. The study of Hunia 2021, analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of a curriculum and its implementing institution, involved assessing its ability to meet educational objectives, adopt the students' needs, and maintain quality standards. Lastly, in terms of job opportunities, it can strengthen and further improve the quality of job training to ensure the employability rate graduates, which supported in the study of Sarai et al. 2018.
For our theoretical framework, this research used social cognitive career theory by Lent and Brown 2019, which measures the following factors that affects an individual's career decisions. These are self-efficacy, interest, and learning experience. Moreover, this involves identifying their current abilities and skills after taking the program, as well as their beliefs and values, also their motivation in pursuing the career they want. For our conceptual paradigm, the Humanities and Social Science graduates from school year 2018 to 2023 will be the respondents of our research. The researchers will get their demographic profile, including their year graduated, sex, and age, as well as their current status. If they pursued college or had a job, then we will identify if the given factors like learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest has any significance to the demographic profile. The results from that we will acquire will be used as the basis for our career guidance program.
This study aimed to trace the graduates of Humanities and Social Science students from 2018 to 2019, 2022 to 2023 in the given school above. The findings serves as a basis for a career guidance program. Number 1. What is the demographic profile of the respondents in the terms of year graduated, sex, and age? Number 2. What is the distribution of the current status of youth after graduation? Number 3. What are the factors that influence them in decision, including the aspects of learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest? Number 4. What is the perceived relevance of the YUMS program to their career choices? Number 5. Is there a significant difference in the factors that influence decision making in the aspects of learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest based on the demographic profile? Number 6. What career guidance program can be proposed based on the study's findings?
We use descriptive status research to describe the current status of the graduates if they choose to pursue the higher education or they choose to enter the workforce. The descriptive survey is used to collect their data and their decisions after graduating on senior high school, and to analyze the data, we use descriptive data analysis. The target respondents of this study are the Humanities and Social Sciences graduates at San Pedro Relocation Center National High School from the school year 2018 to 2019, 2019 to 2020, 2020 to 2021, 2021 to 2022, and 2022 to 2023, with a sample size of 221 respondents that was computed using an online sample size calculator. The researchers used simple random sampling and snowball sampling to ensure that the data will be collected as relevant.
To provide a concise overview of our research instrumentation, we initially deployed an e-survey adapted from Minson et al. 2022 via Google Form, comprising four sections addressing demographic profile, program evaluation, career navigation, and respondents' feedback. Each section featuring 5 Likert scale items. In pre-survey communication, we inform respondents about the purpose of our study before distributing questionnaires via messenger platforms. We intensely reviewed the data we gathered for accuracy post-collection. Our research instrumentation underwent rigorous development and validations, culminating an effective tool for the data collection and analysis. We also conducted an interview to the 30 selected participants to support their responses based on the answer they provided on our research instrument. In table number 1, reveals the reliability indices using Cronbach's alpha for a questionnaire with 4 variables: learning experience with a significance of 0.792, self-efficacy 0.795, interest 0.866, and program evaluation 0.882. These indices indicate acceptable to good reliability, affirming the questionnaires' consistency and effectiveness in measuring participants' perceptions across all variables.
For our data gathering procedure, researchers selected by using simple random sampling from existing participants. After that, the researchers asked for validation of their questionnaire from research teachers. Then, the researchers conducted a pilot test with the 30 respondents to assess the questionnaires' effectiveness. The questionnaires undergo revision before being distributed to users. Lastly, to support their answers, an interview was conducted to verify and provide support for the answers given an online interview.
As for our ethical consideration, in order to safeguard the privacy of our respondents, our tracer study of humanities and social science graduates necessitates adherence to principles such as consent, confidentiality, data security, voluntary participation, respectful communication, and transparency regarding risk, benefits, data sharing, and potential misconduct.
For our data analysis, we first use basic statistics like frequencies and percentage to examine variables such as employment status and demographic profile, presenting our findings using tables. Next, we conducted more detailed quantitative analysis using the Mobi software, applying the Likert scale to measure agreement levels with statements. We then explored various aspects of graduate experiences, including their interest level, self-efficacy, and satisfaction with the curriculum using statistical calculations like mean and standard deviation. Additionally, we look into differences in perception based on individual student characteristics using the Kruskal-Wallis test. Overall, our approach provided a solid foundations for uncovering different insight into graduate perspective on the UM's curriculum.
For our results, Table 2 depicts that 27.6% of the respondents belong to the batch 2019 and 2022, since students from the batch are easy to reach because of social media and connections with their class advisors and friends, similar to batch 2020, which is composed of 20.4% of the total respondents. Also, the table shows that female respondents, regardless what batch they are in, are tend to be more participative than male. However, reaching out on batch of 2021 became challenging because some students' social media accounts are not traceable and their whereabouts are unknown. Table 3 depicts that almost 55% of the respondents are in their early 20s, from 21 to 22 years old at the time of the study, and 40% of them is from the age 18 to 20 years old. Only 2 people from the respondents are recorded with the age of 30 to 23 years old. Table 4 depicts that 74.7% of the respondents pursued higher education, 14% are employed, 6% are student employees, 1.8% of respondents are college graduates, and 1.4% for both tested students and unemployed. Table 5 depicts that the program provided a good learning environment wherein it challenges students to actively engage in class, develop their skills that is relevant to the work field, and build an active support system. This proves that a statement by Nutzer and ANSAT 2020 that the current program is effective and plays a vital role in the graduate's ability to achieve their desired career path based on the acquired learning experience. Based on the given statements, many graduates are confident after taking the UMS program. The table shows graduates' high confidence in their abilities and skills in terms of communication, problem solving, and making decisions, and ability to adapt, which is significant to the objective of the curriculum that aims to hone the 21st century skills of the graduates in preparation to the world of work. In accordance to Thomas 2023, this implies that a graduate's self-efficacy positively impacts their decision-making in regards to their career.
For Table 7, it depicts that the program shows strong post-graduation interest in its subjects, professional opportunities, motivation for continuous learning, openness to further education, and enduring interest in humanities and social sciences. The findings are similar to a study conducted by Humanities and People in 2022. It suggests that individuals value their HUM's education and are inclined to pursue career paths and further education that build upon it. Table 8 outlines the perceived relevance of the Humanities and Social Sciences or HUM's program to graduates' career choices. The HUM's curriculum effectively prepares graduates for career decisions, boosts motivation, enhances communication and leadership skills, and the teaching strategies are highly effective. Tutor et al. 2019 states that graduates express a strong will to choose HUMS again if given the opportunity, indicating a positive perception of the program's relevance to their career development. Table 9 depicts the significant difference in the factors that influence decision-making in the aspects of learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest based on sex. It can be gleaned from the table that no significant difference between male and female perceptions in the factors that influence decision-making in the aspects of the learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest. It implies that both sexes have the same learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest. Table 10 depicts the significant difference in the factors that influence decision-making in the aspects of the learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest based on age. The table below shows the non-existence of significant differences, which means regardless of age, the respondents have the same factors that influence decision-making in the aspects of the learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest. Fakro and Habib 2021 stated that they continuously improve and gain more experience, that now entirely confident of themselves. The findings are similar to findings of Fakro and Habib 2021. Table 11 depicts the significant difference in the factors that influence decision-making in the aspects of the learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest based on the year graduated. The p-values signify the non-existence of significant differences in the learning experience, self-efficacy, and interest based on the year graduated. It means that whatever the year graduated, the respondents have the same factors that influence decision-making. According to Palabrica and Carolina 2023, it can be personal and the future target consideration will have the most impact on their career decisions.
So for discussion, this study tracked graduates of Humanities and Social Sciences program to see if their careers are aligned with their high school studies. It also examined the program to see if it prepared students for college or work. Most graduates reported positive experiences in the program. The program appeared to boost students' confidence in their ability. Students felt the program helped them pick careers they were interested in. Lastly, the program also helped students develop valuable skills like communication and critical thinking. This is our career guidance program proposal. This program aims to empower incoming humanities and social sciences students to make informed career choices and prepare for a successful future. It tackles a common challenge by bridging the gap between their academic background and diverse career opportunities. The program is divided into 4 phases, each with specific phases. Phase 1 is self-discovery, Phase 2 is exploring opportunities, Phase 3 is building your toolkit, and Phase 4 is mentorship and knowledge.
As for program effectiveness, the HUMS program equips students with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in college or course. For students' confidence, the program helps students feel self-assured in their abilities and interests. For valuable skills, graduates develop critical thinking, communication, and research skills, which are important for many jobs and educational paths.
In career preparation, the program helps students think about their career goals but doesn't tell them exactly what job to pick. For future research, more studies could be done to see how the program builds confidence and impacts graduates' careers and well-being in the long run.
For recommendations, through these findings, the researchers reached the proposed career guidance program designed for youth graduates that can empower them by offering self-discovery tools, industry workshops, and networking opportunities. Through assessments and quizzes, graduates can identify their strengths and interests while workshops showcase career options beyond traditional fields. Mentorship with successful youth alumni and practical interview skills development equip graduates to confidently navigate the job market and translate their valuable communication, critical thinking, and social awareness skills into fulfilling careers.
Furthermore, this career guidance can empower them by offering self-discovery tools, industry workshops, and networking opportunities. Through assessments and quizzes, graduates can identify their strengths and interests, while workshops showcase diverse career options beyond traditional fields. There will be three pays for this program.